In the spring of 2014, Crozier and Associates was retained on a joint venture by Honda Canada Manufacturing and our client, Walton Elliston Development. The project involved rebuilding 1 kilometer of the industrial parkway in Elliston, Ontario, to create a new intersection and associate plant entrance for Honda, and the conversion of an existing entrance for truck traffic. The addition of new turning lanes to the mutual roadway would facilitate access to the Honda property and Walton's planned industrial subdivision directly south of the plant. Within a 6-month window, Crozier and Associates designed, secured approvals, and provided contract administration for the road widening, stormwater management system, and utility relocations, including the negotiation of financial cost-sharing and DC requirements for the project. The Honda plant remained fully operational throughout construction.